Gerhard Hahn. I'm an artist, I'm a sculptor. I was not always a sculptor, or maybe I was, but I didn't know. I also work as a professor in design and basic three-dimensional work. And after being an engineer for some years, I decided to go and be an artist. We are here in the middle of the factory of Kohler Foundry. Actually 1,800 people working here. The show is designed to help artists to do casting work mainly with iron, and I'm one of them. I'm allowed to be one of them. And after I studied arts, very quickly the idea came back to me to go back to this place of modern production, how we today produce things, and to use this for artistic reasons. What is inspiring for me when I go into a factory is the aspect that in the factory they have everything I need. I realize that it now 6 projects. The last one before I came here was in a ventilator production. So if you come here, I had a lot of imaging from internet to know about what I want to do, and I hang them all up in my home room. I'm a lot concerned about changes and developments in society, and so what is for me very interesting is to find images that show and like symbolize these changes. The project I'm realizing here I call Adoratio, from the Latin word. It's about the idea, what do people today adore, maybe even what are they addicted to. To think about it, what are the reasons why special things in our world don't function, don't work the way we like them to function. And I found out it might be blindness, it might be greed, and it might be laziness. So I try to transport these abstract meanings into objects, and I took, for blindness, I took eggs, because the eggshell is a 6 system like the braille. The braille writing is a 6-dot system too.
We can be friends for real.
Yeah, we try hard, I know.
So we have artists come from all over the world. So Gerhard's from Germany, and he's here for the 3rd time.
And I'm happy that I have this support. Thank you.
And I am Garrett Kruger. I am the foundry technician. As Gerhard has said, I work for the John Michael Kohler Art Center, but I work in the Kohler factory as a go-between for the artist and the factory.
I don't want to moralize about the things that are in our society, but I want to just show them, and anybody can look at it and have his own feelings and thinkings about it. I first time used this circuit to fix the pieces, the toys on the circuit, and I call the piece Game Over. So I started to be connected with internet and at all the whole electronic material, all the stuff that's around us, that I think influences our life in a very strong way, to take something that is very far away from a circuit, from the electronics, but has some kind of a connection. That, to my mind, seems to be the best way to have poetry in the work, so the spectator starts to really work on it. The plum is for me also, of course, connected to the Bible, that the apple that was hanging on the tree of knowledge. In this program, it is not a place to contemplate, but it's a place where people work outside. It's noisy, it's dusty, it can be dangerous. you see the people all working and you can't stop working yourself. So I think if you are not exhausted when you live here, you did something wrong.